We are in front of Armour, a property here in Kansas City, and actually this property was bought 100% empty during COVID for $1.95 million, and now it has become a mid-term rental and a long-term rental. Really no short-term rental at all in here.
We have a couple of permitted short-term rental.
But nobody's actually using it as short-term, like 1 day or 2 days.
No, they do.
Oh,
yes, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes. In this building, there's 4 levels, and per the permitting of the city, you can have 25% of each level, okay? So that would mean 25% of the building, so I don't know what the math is, sorry. I can do 1 per level, so I'm trying to get the other 2.
Cool. All right, so walk us through the property, tell us what you've done.
When we purchased the building, it was right in the middle of COVID, and we back and forth about actually doing it, and one of our biggest hesitations was the parking situation. So there is no parking per se for the building. So that was a concern of mine, and it's in a great location, right in the heart of the city, downtown. When we bought it, as he said, it was fully vacant, completely vacant, and it needed a facelift. It didn't need like anything major, it was just cosmetic for the most part. So that took us a while. We had a contractor that took a long time and cost a lot of money. Once we got that, we decided to do it in stacks, straight up. So we did the first half of the building. So it's a 31 unit. Historically, we had to preserve the tile that was here and here. We wanted to keep the woodwork because it's beautiful and architecturally, you know,
significant.
It's significant, right, to the history of the building. So we kept it, and we just kind of, you know, spruced it up down here, just add a little bit of furniture.
Can you walk us through a few units?
Yes, I can. I sure can.
How much is normal long-term rent that we're getting here?
Normal long-term rent is about $850 a month.
What are they getting down the road?
Plus, okay? Plus, because you have to pay for your utilities, you have to pay for the Wi-Fi. And
$850 base rent,
base.
And then we charge them for the water, we charge them for the electric, and we charge them for the utilities. Internet is now a utility. So this unit is what?
This is also a legit, my other permitted short term, meaning it can be 30 days or less. It can be 2 to 3 days, whatever. And this one gets a little bit more money per night than the rest. I call it an oversized 1 bedroom.
Who put all this furniture together?
Danny did some of it. Danny had his day.
Okay.
And I've done a good portion of it. And
where did it come from?
It mostly all comes from Amazon, yeah.
Right. What do you include with your Airbnbs? Like, I know you kind of sometimes tend to complain about some of the supplies that are left at the Airbnbs that we stay at.
Oh,
and you're like,
I see.
we just were in one in Mexico, and you're like, I give more supplies in my.
Well, we paid $900 a night for this place in Mexico.
How much is this one a night?
You know, between $60, $75 a night, and
like 50 and 75.
Yeah, yeah. And so, I mean, you know, I'll always have at least 6 garbage bag, trash bag. I give a good starter pack. These people, you know, they gave us what, 3 rolls of toilet paper for 8 people. We had 8 people staying there. This is 1 person is generally staying here. So we like to give the supplies that we need. You remember those?
Oh yeah, these were actually taken off the street in Kansas City, and they're probably about 40 years old, and Eden cleaned them. Shout out to Ryan Pineda for inspiring her to flipping couches.
So anyway, some of the nice features about these units are they have really big closets. They're just nice and spacious for a downtown city unit. I always like to give them a good little aesthetic. The decor is generally the same across the board in all of the units. Meaning,
were these new cabinets?
No, we painted these. So all we did was paint these, put new, left even the
Tub surround.
shower surround.
So this all came with the unit. This is new flooring.
This is new LVP, and we pulled up carpeting and restored the hardwoods.
And now we have a
everywhere.
major issue though, right?
Oof, we got a major issue.
Let's go take a look at the major
Wanna go
issue.
look at it? Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing that we should go to next. So
So-
we recently have learned about Midwest weather.
It is going to be found in this corner of the building. This is a little bit milder damage. So we're in the second level. When we get to the third and the fourth is where it really starts to, the walls are trashed.
All right.
This was the culprit down on the lower level because all the mechanicals are right below it in the basement. This one is looking a little troublesome.
All right, so we got a roof leak coming down that side. Okay, gotcha.
The far corner of the build, almost far corner. And then let's go to 405.
Oh, we got that leak here too, huh?
Okay, good. I'm glad we came in. So
So it's coming all on this side of the building. All right, so let's go up on the roof right now. Come on, pinche flojo. Come on. Shit. The first thing everybody asks, you want a new roof? No, I want to patch it and work go on.
That's it?
¿Qué pasa, Cúbele?
Bien.
Bien?
Hey, you have a lot of trees everywhere.
So this is a good roof. No, this roof is solid. We just have a couple issues we need to fix. But I mean, overall, this is a quality roof right here. We just need to put
Coating?
Yeah,
You
coating.
want to put coating?
Yeah, I want to
The
fix.
entire roof, right?
Okay, yeah. But so it looks like it's dipping down right here, right?
This is where the leak is.
I fixed many a flat roof with the coating.
Okay, how many coats?
What we do is we cut out the little imperfections. We're gonna fix those. So we're gonna cut out where we need to, and then we're gonna coat the whole fucking thing.
Yeah, I know, but how thick you want? One coat, two coats?
Two
It
coats,
depends.
two-
Two coats? Maybe like for 3 years?
Maybe five,
warranty?
maybe five.
Well, maybe
Yeah,
5 years?
I know.
With
Trust me.
Two coats,
Yeah,
no one.
yeah, I know. I do this many times. Listen, in Vegas, you have more problems with the roof.
Yeah.
I do it on Vegas. The guy say, "Oh, you need a new roof." I patch it. I patch
Well,
it.
we can patch it, you know? If you want, we can put the fucking coating
Yeah. We just need to fix the part that's leaking right there. Do you know why it's leaking?
to the bricks. Can you see the brick?
Yeah.
All the way, maybe it's
So you're gonna cut it out and put it.
three rolls, the flat roof.
Okay. So we have a little divot here. How are you gonna fix this so it doesn't pool up water right there? Because that's where it's leaking.
We put out one more layer.
What's underneath this though? What is underneath this stuff?
Insulation. It's insulation, and you know, I think it's the torch. Insulation, and if you want, we can fucking drill and put the caulking.
No, I just think over there we need to for sure. I think.
We can put on the eave. You know, I told you from here, from the wall through the end. We can roll it, maybe 3 rolls the flap, and torch it only on the eave, not the side. Then over the flat roof and everything, we can put the coating. I think it's the cheap solution.
You've got to give me the best price.
I let you know. Depends how many.
How many
square-
days you think? 2?
2 days, maybe.
Yeah. You let us know, okay? We're gonna go back down. We just need to cut this shit back. This is good. What's gonna happen is the water needs to come off here because everything's gonna pool. Listen, one of Maynard's first jobs for me, I don't know if you remembered, I had him cut down a tree in between a fourplex I owned. I'm like, how much? He's like, $300. He's like, but the chainsaw cost me $250. I was like, okay. Go return it. You see, we got all the material here. You go, total material. Why are you laughing? Is it no good? Why it's no good? Because you not buy it brand new. It's it's trash. Why trash? I want to know. But why you say this is trash? This looks fucking in perfect shape.